Hi, today's Schoology tutorial has to do with sending messages to a class. So you can go to course options once you're in your class, send a message, and it will send to all members of your group. I mean, if you want to send to the admin or just the members, but it'll send to all members if you just leave it there. You're going to write in Spanish and whatever you want plan for Tuesday, November 10th, and then compose a message and hit send, and all the students will end up with a little alert in their message area. If you're looking to send an individual message to a student, you're going to click on your little envelope up here, then click New Message, and then I can type in the name of anybody that I want, and it pops up. I want to send this message to Austin Munt, specifically about his grades. Please turn in missing work. Send, and then he will get his own little, on specifically his Schoology page, a little icon